Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can organize Safari tabs and move them between different tabs group on the iPhone 13 series. So here, first let's swipe up and go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the Safari web browser. And then in here, when you want to move them between the different tab group, you can touch and hold on this tabs icon and then tap on move to tab group, and here you can select the new tab group that you want to move to. You can also create a new tab group down here if you wanted to. So let's first move this to tab group 1. Okay, now I can also tap on here and then tap on social group, and in here I can also create a new group. So let's say this is a news group and then tap on save. Okay, so I have created a new tab group called news. So if I touch and hold on here, you can see there is a new group here called news, and currently I'm open in this news group. And I can also switch between different group as well. And in each of the different tabs group, it will have different open tabs display showing in here. And so if I can go back into tabs, I can also touch and hold on one of the tabs and then tap on move to group in here, move to tab group. And again, I can choose to move it back to my normal tab, which is outside of the tabs group, or I can move it to a different tabs group in here. So let's say I want to move it to the news group. I can tap on that, and that will move that tab to the news group. And that is how you can organize it. You can create a new tab groups from here. So you can create from here by tapping on this move to tab group, and from this menu you can tap on new tab group from here, or you can do it directly in the tabs group page in here. So it is pretty much the same. Now if you want to delete a tabs group, you can tap on edit, and then in here tap on the more option button and then tap on delete, and then tap on delete. And that is how you can also remove the tabs group. And that's it. Tap on done to finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.